Welcome. In front of me I have TECLAST P20HD and I will show you how easy you can activate Hey Google on this device. You have to go for Google app, find more, move to the settings, next you have to go for voice, find the voice match, and then simply tap on the switcher into the Hey Google, click more, tap next, tap on the switcher and then tap agree. In my case it's ready, but you will get circle like that and you have to say 40 times Hey Google and OK Google, OK Google, and the 2 time Hey Google, and the last one Hey Google. Now right now it's finished, so when you say Hey Google or OK Google, the voice command will be activated. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.